All right, so it's a nice end of February day. We're out here. This is a roof, or going to be a roof of an outhouse we're going to put down the land. Now, I'm not a carpenter, and I'm sort of dressed to mess with cement and get my clothes messed up. But we start out with a 4x4 frame, 2x4 frame, and then we made a 5x4 2x4 frame, but we angled the ends about 5 degrees or so, so when we set it up at an angle, it would, the front and the back would be flat, right? You could barely see this angle here. And then what we did is we nailed it, at the angle, and then put these runners flush so that one edge of them is resting on this 4x4 frame to give it some strength. Now what we're going to do is we're going to experiment with a latex cement roof, which is actually the whole purpose of building an outhouse. I think I want to come back and try this with a green roof, but I'm not sure, and so I'm leaving it where I can or cannot depending.
Look what I found.
Now in the latex cement roof book that I found on Amazon, the guy talks about cutting strips, but he's doing a little more complicated geometry than me, and so I'm not. Give me the scissors. All right, so there's the window screening, and we just run it down and stapled it, and then cut it and run it down and stapled, and just tried to make the stuff just as tight as possible. There's no place where it's a single roll of screen. Some places it's tripled up, and some places it's actually 4-ply, but it needs more than 1 ply to hold the cement. It's going to be embedded in kind of like rebar. Most of that is paint. I put that much paint. I put a couple of scoops in here and just a little bit of water. Florida did some experiments with latex cement, and they did 50-50, but they were making slabs, 50-50 paint, 50-50 water. This is a roof, so I want more latex in there so it has a little more give. Now let's try to actually put it on the screen, see what happens. All right, here it is, pretty much finished. At least round 1 is finished. We used about 2/3 of an 80-pound bag of Type S mortar, and then a gallon of old latex sealing paint, interior sealing paint, and then a quart of the paint that I bought at Lowe's. We used a lot more paint than I expected. It went on pretty good, but I found it was easier to brush it down pretty lightly and then come back and pour more over. And that last little coat I did was pretty thin, and it's self-leveling out, kind of smoothing out. I don't want to push it too much because I don't want to push it through the floor. So we're going to let this dry, and then we're probably going to come back and do it again, probably with more paint, a little less cement, a little bit soupier mix to try to get into the cracks and see how light it is. It shouldn't be that heavy. Shouldn't be more than a couple of men can put up as a roof. All right. So, William, what do you think?
Nice.
Nice. Jenny, what do you think?
I think it looks awesome. Better than I expected.
Well, I don't know if I'd say awesome, but I do think it's better than she expected. She was really worried about it getting on the floor.
Now can I go in and play Minecraft?
Yeah, go play Minecraft.
Yes!
Alright, so
Take
this
the
is
shoes
part
off.
one. We'll see what happens when this stuff dries. Thanks.